Zapof Forms provides a gateway to Stripe card payment without coding. Connecting a form to Stripe payment requires a few simple steps. And I use a conference registration form to show how I can add card payment facility on this form. I have already created this conference registration form. It has input fields for the name, contact, and address. It also has a table for topic selection for the conference. To keep it short, I'm not going into the detail of the formula. It calculates the total with a discount when the user chooses more selection. And the final total includes an optional networking dinner fee. To add the payment facility for this form, click the Payment button on the left toolbar. The form currently does not require payment. Let's choose Stripe card payment. I have not connected this form to the Stripe payment facility. If I have previously connected a Stripe account, I can just choose the Stripe account to use for this form. To connect to a new Stripe account, click the Grant button. Click the Agree button. I need to create a new Stripe account if I don't have it. I already have an account with Stripe. And I use this browser to log into Stripe. So, I just choose my Stripe account and click the Connect button. I enter my password. Because I turn on the two-step authentication on my Stripe account, Stripe sends me a verification code to my phone. Just a moment, while I'm waiting for the code. I enter the code. And this is all I need to do to connect Stripe account to my form. Click the Connect button. I click the Yes button to include the details from my Stripe account as the merchant details that will show on the receipt. Next, the payment action and currency. I can choose from any currency that Stripe support from the currency drop-down. I choose US dollar. Because this is a card payment, I choose the charge option. It immediately processes the paid amount when the payer completes the checkout. And let's not forget to set the formula for the total value. Click the Pick Variable button of the total formula. And choose the field that calculates the total conference fee. I don't charge other fees, so I just leave them empty. And I want to set the format of the order ID with a prefix order. Click Apply. Publish the form. And that's all I need to do to add a card payment facility on my form. Now, let's test the conference registration form. Click the Share button to get the link of the form. This is the total conference fee that I need to pay. Click Submit. Entering the card number, expiration, and the CVC number, and clicking the Submit Payment button, completes the payment.